Hello, hello, hello! Magandang araw and welcome. Ako si Mystico Moreno or in short, Mismo. At dito sa aking channel, we will manifest love and light. Singing Tagalog love reading ngayon na mismo. Okay, so I was called by the universe to do this special reading. At itong special reading na to ay energy check-in. Para sa collective na nangangailangan ng guidance sa kanilang decision making. Lalo na ngayon, it's Mars sextile Saturn, which helps us with our sound judgment. Okay, sa mga aspeto na ang ating buhay and tulad na lang ng love life. Alright, so yes, this is for all signs, pero magiging specific tayo dealing with certain signs. And bubunot ako ng tatlong cards from here. And yun yung collective na dealing with these three signs or maybe four kasi may mga cards na may strong energy ng more than one sign. And let's see. So, ano yung gustong iparating sa inyo ng universe? Okay? So, major arcana lang yung mga nandito. Kaya yung mabubunot ko ay one of, lumabas na agad, tumayo na siya. One of the major arcanas na nasa card. So, the Fool, ayan, and tumalon siya, Chariot, and Temperance. Okay. So, this reading is for the collective na dealing with more than 3 signs yung nandito. Kasi, yep. Alright. Kita ba? Okay. So, para ito sa mga sa collective, mga OMSIMs, and na dealing with either an Aries, Aquarius, Cancer, and Sagittarius. Okay, so yung apat na signs na yun. Kung mamaya mag-resonate yung reading pero napaisip kayo, parang hindi naman yung sign ng person ko. So, yeah, pwede nyo ma-check ano yung other placements nila sa kanilang Moon, Venus, and Rising. Baka Aries, Aquarius, Cancer, and Sagittarius sila sa mga placements na yun. Okay? So, ang gagawin natin is bubunot ako ng tig-isang pair sa recent past, present, and near future. So, ano yung energy nyo in the recent past, ano yung current energy niyo and how it may affect the near future para alam niyo yung mga sound decisions na kailangan nyong gawin when it comes to the connection. Also, yung last pair is your action or parang advice or message ni universe sa inyo what action to take. Okay? So, this is just a guidance and I'll just provide you insight. Okay? Always use my readings with discernment. Okay? May free will pa rin naman tayo sa ating mga kailangan gawin. Mga decisions, mga actions na kailangan natin gawin in our life. Okay? And energy is fluid nga. So, I'm tapping the collective sa kanilang current energy. So, yeah, gusto kong magpasalamat sa lahat ng collective na patuloy na sumusuporta sa Mystico Moreno channel. Thank you so much po. And please continue to support Mystico Moreno by liking this video and commenting below, lalo na kung nag-resonate yung reading hanggang sa matapos ninyo. Sa mga bago, kung nagko-connect kayo sa akin at sa mga readings ko at gusto niyo pang subaybayan at para updated kayo, subscribe na rin kayo sa aking channel. It also helps my channel grow para tuloy-tuloy lang din ang ating paggawa ng love readings. Okay? So, also I always remind, okay, in the channel that this is a collective reading. Okay, so iba't ibang energy masasagap ko. So, take however it resonates in your situation, lalo na, nabanggit ko, or if you're dealing with those signs. Okay, ayan. Sumasabit yung tela, sorry. Right. So, again, one pair for the recent past, one pair for the present, and one pair for the near future, and another pair sa action that needs to be taken. Okay. So, I'll get the 7th card. Dahil July pa rin naman ngayon. First card. Ooh, 8 of Cups. This is the recent past energy. And the Star. Oh, okay. Again, if you're part of the collective dealing with an Aries, Aquarius, Cancer, or Sagittarius, check their Sun, Moon, Venus, and Rising placements. Okay, in the recent past, there's something that you hoped for with regards to the relationship na kailangan mo nang kinailangan mo, kasi recent past na nga to, kinailangan mo i-let go or need mo na mag-move on from that hope. Kasi what I sense here is in the recent past, hindi siya nag-materialize, hindi siya nangyari. Pwedeng something that you hope for because in the beginning of the relationship, may mga ganong expectations. And pwede rin na for some of you, may mga pangako na binitawan ang inyong person na umasa kayo na mangyayari siya. Pero as the relationship progresses, unti-unting parang nawawala yung hope na yon na mangyari. Kasi parang nafe-feel nyo na parang hindi naman siya nagmamaterialize. Pwedeng may binigay din kasi na timeline na gagawin tong specific thing na to. Either it's an action, it's a tangible thing. Tapos, umasa kayo ng umasa in the recent past. You dreamt of something to happen. Pwede nga rin, parang a milestone in the relationship na dahil nga parang napansinin nyo na ay hindi naman siya pala mangyayari. You decided to let go and just move on. Okay? So that's the energy from the recent past. Now, let's see how it affected the present energy. Okay? Ace of Swords paired with the Sun. Okay, in the recent past, di ba nga parang may dumating na kayo na sa point na, ay, wag na tayong umasa. I have to let go of this idea or this hope or this belief na mangyayari pa yon. However, something happened in the present moment. Either you or your person initiated and talked about it, about what you've been hoping for. And, ayan, dahil napag-usapan siya, it was, nagkaroon ng conversation, initiation, on discussing it again, okay, with the Ace of Swords, because Ace of Swords is a card of initial conversation, okay. It's a card of, and it's also a card of clarity and truth. Ayan, parang may na-reveal na information or something na parang at the present moment, yun lang yung naging timing niya talaga na dun mo nalaman bakit nade-delay siya or bakit in the recent past parang hindi siya nangyayari or hindi siya nagmamaterialize. That's what you thought. Okay? Kaya parang nilet go mo na yung idea or feeling na umasa pa sa mangyayari na yun. Pero, what you didn't know is mangyayari naman siya. Pero may mga reason for some of you, maybe may mga delays lang, pwedeng financial related, pwedeng physical, like baka nagkasakit yung person mo, tapos nag-recover pa, or financially, nag-struggle, tapos nag-recover pa. Pwedeng mental health issue din, na may mga pinagdaanan, may mga pagsubok na matindi na medyo hindi niya kinaya in the recent past, pero naka-recover, diba? So, maraming valid naman na reasons bakit yung mga bagay na supposed to be nangyari in the recent past, tapos inasahan mo na mangyayari, hindi nangyari. May reason naman pala, and na-reveal siya at the present moment. So, nalaman mo na, kaya pala, ganito pala siya. And it made you feel good. Kasi, the present moment, here, the sun is showing here. Okay? And the sun is the happiest card in tarot. So, I can see here na at the present moment, dahil nga, nalaman mo naman yung mga reason and nalaman mo na matutuloy pa rin naman kung ano yung mga inasahan mo in the recent past. It made you feel good, it made you feel happy, and even the relationship is doing well now. Kasi siguro before, parang may tampo-tampo, ka. Or, di ba, na parang medyo down ka kasi nga, inaasahan mo yung mangyari, kasi hindi nangyari. Pero ngayon, the energy is very happy. Very, alam mo yun, parang exciting ulit. Parang na-reignite yung excitement sa relationship. Kasi nga, nabuhayan ka ulit ng loob na, ay, mangyayari pala siya talaga. Ganun. So, ganun yung energy at the present moment. And now, let's see how this present energy will or may, nabubulol talaga ako ngayon, will or may affect the near future. The Emperor. Okay, that's good, because the Emperor is a card of stability and abundance. Yung abundance na, alam mo yun, may sense of stability and security and energy of reliability. Oh, nice. Ayan. With the Knight of Wands paired with it. So, how it may affect the near future is this, stability. Dahil nga mangyayari yung inaasahan mong mangyayari, there will be security, stability, and alam mo yun, yung feeling na hmm, wala ka nang kailangang isipin pa ulit kasi nga nangyari na yung gusto mong nangyari. Yung mga inasahan mo in the recent past na na-reveal na mangyayari ulit or mangyayari naman talaga siya at the present moment and in the near future because happy yung present moment mo, the effect dahil nga magmamaterialize siya yung whatever you manifested as well. With the Knight of Wands, there's, alam mo yun, ang galing kasi abundance, si Emperor, plus Knight of Wands is a card of confidence and the eagerness na talagang nakikita ko dito, yung eagerness niyo yung dalawa na to work things out every time na talagang mas mag-grow pa yung relationship, mas mag-deepen pa, mas maging talagang happy, continuous yung happiness. Siyempre, hindi naman siya perfect na parang, ano yun, talagang 100%. Wala naman ding ganun. May mga, may mga bumpy rides pa rin naman. Pero, the good thing is, alam nyo na how to navigate it properly. Yun nga, dahil stable na yung relationship, emotionally, and even physically, financially, mentally, very stable and secure yung magiging outcome in the near future. There will be so much confidence. Alam mo yung confidence na magiging okay ang lahat. Mahal ako ng tao na to. I'm safe with this person. I'm happy, I'm secure, I'm at peace. Ganon. So, ang ganda, ang galing. Kaya siguro, ginusto ni universe na gawin ko to. Kasi, siguro may mga sims or the people in my collective sa na nangangailangan ng guidance lang or insight na nasa ganitong sitwasyon. Tapos parang meron pa ring doubts or unsure pa sa mga desisyon nila with regards to the relationship. But your relationship is going well and will be even better. Now, last pair. Sige, let's see. Ano yung best action or next steps with regards to this connection and how para alam mo din talaga yung decision na kailangan gawin. Hey, two of coins. Yeah. Alam ko na. Nakikita ko na siya. Okay. Yeah, balance. Sinasabi lang din dito is the next action is to let go na talaga din of whatever yung past, yung yung tendency mo na parang gumive up din agad sa relationship or sa hino-hope mo about sa relationship. Parang may impatience ka kasi. So it's good that naging patient ka, hindi ka talaga bumitaw or hindi ka talaga hindi ka fully let go sa relationship just because may mga bagay na inaasahan mo na hindi pa nangyayari. So there should be balance with the two of coins here. It's an energy of balance and harmony and flexibility in a way na dapat yun nga, lesson learned na yung in the recent past at hindi ka rin rigid sa ito yung timeline na binigay na parang gagawin ko to dapat ganito mangyayari. Tapos kala mo hindi na natupad yung pangako pero you found out that the truth is may mga valid reasons naman talaga kung bakit siya na-delay. Okay, and that's the thing that I think sinasabi ni universe to let go of that behavior or that energy in you to really heal and also surrender sa situation na parang okay, ganito pala kasi siya. So if you have understanding talaga nung totoong nangyayari sa buhay and situation din ng person mo, parang, alam mo yun, not surrender in defeat Parang surrender lang or acceptance ba? Na, okay, sige, hindi mo na mangyari to, pero sure ka na mangyayari siya kasi nga, ito yung, yung goal. And, alam mo naman din na gagawin ng person mo because committed din siya sa relationship. Ayun, napakaganda. So, yeah, that's the energy check-in for today in relation to Mars sextile Saturn, which happens today. So, salamat again sa lahat ng collective dealing with an Aries, Aquarius, Cancer, and Sagittarius. Ayan. Sana nabigyan kayo ng kalinawan sa current situation ninyo, lalo na kung sobrang nag-resonate sa inyo. And again, check their other placements, lalo na kung nag-resonate sa inyo, tapos parang napaisip kayo, hindi naman yun yung sign. Kasi nga, we have other placements. And pwedeng dahil dun sa placements na yun, kaya nag-resonate yung reading sa inyo. Okay, so kita-kits na lang muli sa susunod ko pang love reading. Ako si Mystica Moreno. Okay? And before I officially close this reading, invite ko lang din kayo to book a personal and private reading, lalo na kung nag-resonate sa inyo to and you want more guidance from the universe, nasa description box lang naman yung email address ko. Okay, so muli, ako si Mystica Moreno, or in short, Miss Mo. Kita-kits. Ingat.